white eye base like usual. And we're just going to blend this all over the eyelid. So now going in with the Makeup Revolution palette, I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and go into this color here just to set the base. And this deeper brown here, let's see, what's the name of this? This is Fete. And we're just going to put this on the brush and we're going to start putting this in the crease. Now I'm just going to blend it with the same fluffy brush that we used earlier. For the lid, I'm going into the Vice 3 palette. If you don't have this palette, just dip into whatever shimmery dark green you have. And we're going to pack this on the lid. Extending it just slightly above and meeting it with the crease, just so it all blends really nicely together. You kind of want to look like a dark mint chocolate chip ice cream. Now I'm going to take some of the Too Faced glitter glue and we're going to pack this on our eyelid. A kind of flat brush, I'm going to go into this green glitter. It's pretty chunky and we're going to pack this on our eyelid. Eyebrows, I'm going to use Ready Set Green from Maybelline. This is a color tattoo. I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows with this. It's pretty dark, so it should match. So I am just going to prime a little bit with the NYX No Filter. Mainly just around the areas that I'm having some breakouts and right here where my pores are a little bit bigger. So I'm just going to kind of work this into my skin. Now I am going to cover my entire face and kind of like upper chest neck area with green paint. So I'm going to do that off camera just because I think you guys have seen me body paint enough to know how to do it. And then I'll be right back. So now that we are all green and fabulous, I put my little dress on here just so I could see like where would be covered and where wouldn't. And I'm wearing gloves, so I'm not going to paint my hands. But I am going to contour now using the e.l.f. contouring brush and some of the NYX Primal Colors pigment in hot green. Now I'm just going to put on a little bit of eyeliner. This is just a black felt tip eyeliner and we're going to do a wing. Now that I have my cute little short black wig on, I am just going to put on some eyelashes. These are the Ardell wispies in style 122. And I'm using the velour lash glue. Not super thick, but again, they are wispies, so they're just very light and kind of natural. So I'm going to let them dry a little bit before I put anything else on. And with a highlighter brush, I'm going to go into Jeffree Star Ice Cold. And we're going to highlight with this on the nose, under the eyes, bit on the chin, and of course the Cupid's bow. Lips, I'm kind of torn between Crocodile Tears and Siren's Jewel. I think I'm going to do Crocodile Tears just because it matches a little bit better. I think I'm actually going to add some freckles to this look. I think it'd be really cute. So I'm going to use Crocodile Tears and the brush I used to paint my face with. And just add a couple freckles. And I'm just going to put a little bit of Siren's Jewel in the middle of my lips. And last is just to blend those falsies with a little bit of Total Tease mascara. So this is it. This is my female version of the Grinch. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!